Hi everyone, thanks for joining us today. We will practice simple English for daily life. Let's make it easy, fun, and useful for you.
Yes, Anna, small phrases are very powerful. When you know them, you can speak with confidence. Today, we will talk about coffee, shopping, directions, and more. Ordering coffee.
At a cafe, you can say, "Can I have a cappuccino, please?" If they ask, small or large, you answer, large, please. Always add, please, and thank you to sound polite.
If you want milk or sugar, say, with milk, please, or no sugar, thanks. To check the price, ask, how much is it? When you pay, you can say, by card, please.
Sometimes the barista asks your name for the cup. You can say, "My name is Anna," or Anna, ANNA. Spelling helps when it's loud or busy.
If you didn't hear well, try, sorry, could you repeat that? You can also say, a little slower, please. It is simple and very friendly.
And if you want something extra, you can ask, "Can I have extra milk?" Or you can say, "No ice, please," when ordering iced coffee. These small words make your order clear.
Sometimes the barista asks, for here or to go? If you want to sit, say, for here, please. If you want takeaway, say, to go, please.
Shopping. Now let's talk about shopping. The first question is usually, "How much is this?" Point to the item and ask, "Do you have it in medium?"
For colors, try, do you have it in black? If you want to try it, say, can I try it on? The staff may answer, the fitting rooms are over there.
If you like it, say, "I'll take it." If you don't, say, "I'll think about it, thanks." To ask about returns, try, "Can I return it with the receipt?"
At the cashier, they may ask, cash or card. You can reply, card, please, or cash, please. At the end, say, have a nice day.
If you want a discount, you can ask, "Is there a sale?" Or say, "Do you have a student discount?" These are polite ways to save money.
And sometimes sizes are different. If the size is too small, say, do you have a larger size? If it is too big, say, do you have a smaller one? Asking for directions.
When you are lost, start with, "Excuse me." Then ask, "How can I get to the station?" This is short, clear, and polite.
Listen for words like go straight, turn left, and turn right. People may say, it's next to the bank, or it's across from the park. Repeat the key words to check, like turn left at the lights.
If you need a bus, ask, "Which bus goes to the museum?" To check time, say, "What time does it leave?" If you are not sure, ask, "Is it far from here?"
When you use maps on your phone, you can say, let me check the map. If you walk together, say, let's go this way. And don't forget, thank you for your help.
Sometimes you don't understand the answer. You can say, "Sorry, I didn't catch that." Or ask, "Can you repeat slowly, please?"
Yes, people are usually kind. If you smile and say thank you, they are happy to help. Polite words make every conversation easier. Ordering food in a restaurant.
Let's move to restaurants. When the waiter comes, you can say, "Can I see the menu, please?" After you choose, say, "I'd like the chicken with rice."
If you want a drink, say, can I have some water? Or a glass of orange juice, please. Always remember to say please.
When the food arrives, you can say, "Thank you." If you need something, say, "Excuse me, could I have a fork?" It shows you are polite and friendly.
At the end, ask, can I have the bill, please? Or, can I pay now? The waiter will bring the check.
If the service was good, say, "Everything was delicious." It makes the staff happy. Small compliments are very nice.
And don't forget to tip if it's normal in that country. You can say, keep the change. It is a simple and polite way to give a tip. Taking a bus or train.
Sometimes you need to travel by bus or train. At the station, you can ask, "Where is the ticket office?" Or, "Can I buy a ticket here?"
To know the price, say, how much is a ticket to London? If you want to, say, two tickets, please. For return, ask, is it one way or return?
On the bus, ask the driver, does this bus go to the airport? If yes, pay and say, one ticket, please. Then thank the driver.
If you don't know where to get off, say, could you tell me when we arrive at the station? People are usually happy to help. It makes your journey easier. Phone conversations.
Now let's practice phone English. When you answer, say, hello, this is Anna. When you call, say, hello, may I speak to Mark?
If the person is not there, they may say, he is not available now. You can answer, can I leave a message? It is simple and polite.
When you don't hear well, say, could you speak more slowly? Or, the line is bad, can you repeat? These are very common phrases.
To end the call, say, thank you for your time. Or, I will talk to you soon. Then say goodbye. Deciduous small talk with friends.
Finally, let's talk about small talk. You can ask, how was your day? Or, what are you doing this weekend?
Weather is always safe. Say, it's really sunny today, or it's raining a lot. It is an easy way to start a talk.
When you meet new people, you can ask, where are you from? Or, do you like living here? It makes people feel comfortable.
If you want to leave, say, it was nice talking to you. Then add, see you later. These phrases close the talk politely.